Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. ICP got rejected in our resistance area here, and it's now time to take a look at the chart and take a look at updated targets levels, support resistance levels. First of all, what we can identify on this chart is a potential 5-wave pattern to the upside from the September 2023 low. We have a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 down or sideways, and then a last wave 5 to the upside. And these 5 waves could indeed have completed at $20.77 there as per the previous video, and now we could be in this wave 2 pullback. This is at least one scenario. If we call this move up a wave 1, or if we call this move up an A wave, it's not so relevant. All right, it's not so relevant, and at the moment it appears as if we get one more low. I did mark it here with a question mark. Maybe wave 1 isn't finished, but that's only the question mark. For me, a 5-wave move completed here, and we are now likely in the wave 2 pullback or the B wave pullback. Let's zoom in, take a look at that in detail. Why would I say something like that? Well, because we have a 3-wave move down into the April low here, the middle of April low, so around about $10, well, pretty much $11 it bottomed. I can't really count that easily as a 5-wave decline possible, but it looks better like a 3-wave move, so it could be the A wave of a correction. Then what you can see here looks like an ABC to the upside, got rejected at the golden ratio level. Perfect level for such a B wave, perfect level for rejection there. And now we could start the C wave to the downside. If this is the case, then the market should in the next step test the area around these lows, around $10.70. And funny enough, that also looks a little bit like a head and shoulders pattern. It's not the most beautiful one, but we have here a possible left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and we could break down. In addition to that, the last rally was 3 waves. So from an objective point of view, that's why I gave you the resistance area. Have to consider that we're now coming down in the C wave. This is currently going according to script. That can always change, but for now, this is following it. So if we say A wave down, go to the top of the B wave, and then an ideal target for the C wave would be the 100% extension level. That's here at $8.66. So we'll see if we get there. That's from where we are now. That would be a decline of more than 30%. Sounds a lot, but not too much in the crypto world. Obviously, this structure here makes the entire pattern very, very complex, okay? It makes it very complex, makes it really difficult to determine what exactly it is. That's usually what happens in crypto charts when we're dealing here with, like a high B wave that was even an overshooting B wave, C wave not ending below A, so basically a running flat, then this last rally, yes, and then obviously, but it makes it very complex. Because where do you exactly, when I can count a 5-wave move up complete, I try to do it. This was here the case. But it's also possible that maybe the wave 5 topped here. And that just creates a completely different structure. Maybe this would go too far now. But what we see right now is that we had a move down, quite a sharp rejection, 3-wave rally that typically indicates that we get another low. Now, this would obviously change with a break above the $16.44 level, which is that would be a break above the 21st of April high. But then we can still explore if the B wave maybe simply extends in a larger ABC structure. So that would be my alternative to the upside. If we break above that last high, we might just be dealing with a larger B wave. Because the 3-wave rally, can't suddenly turn into 5 waves. It is a 3-wave rally, but that could turn into a larger 3-wave move, which would still be corrective and suggest we come down in a C wave, but then maybe with another target. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.